Today, I'll walk you through how to make a Notion habit tracker, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a personalized habit tracker so you can stay organized and motivated. Let's dive right in. First, open your Notion page. If you're not sure where to start, just navigate to your Notion workspace. This is your digital canvas where all the magic happens. Once you're on your Notion page, look for the Add Page button. This is usually found in the sidebar. Click on it to create a new page. Think of it as opening a blank notebook ready for your ideas. Now, it's time to rename your page. I'll use Habit Tracker for this example. Just click on the title area and type in your desired name. This helps you easily identify your tracker later on. Next, type /table and select the table view option. This action will create a structured layout for your habits, similar to setting up a spreadsheet, but much more visually appealing and customizable. Now, let's add a checkbox column. This will allow you to mark off habits as you complete them. To do this, click on the plus icon next to your table and select checkbox from the options. It's like adding a new column in a traditional table. Once you have your checkbox column, rename it to something meaningful, like completed. You can also change the icon if you want to personalize it further. This is your tracker after all, so make it reflect your style. Now, repeat the process to add another column for other tasks or habits you want to track. Just follow the same steps as before. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionalities remain the same. Make sure that all the columns are renamed properly. This will help you keep track of what each column represents. Clarity is key when managing your habits. Also check if the icons are correct. Icons can make your tracker more visually engaging, so take a moment to ensure they match your habits. It's like adding a splash of color to your canvas. Next, you can resize or move columns based on your preference. This step allows you to customize the layout to better suit your workflow. Think of it as rearranging furniture in a room to create a more inviting space. Finally, if you want to take it a step further, you can add a progress bar. This feature can help you visualize your progress over time. If you're unsure how to do this, check out my other video on adding a progress bar in Notion. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Notion habit tracker. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.